Hi, so today I will be talking about the Adidas Cloudfoam shoes. These ones are in a size 10 in women's. And before I start talking about them, I just want to give you guys an overview of them. So, this part right here is like a mesh, very soft feel. They kind of have like a dip in them, kind of like a C shape, which is very, very helpful, and I'm gonna get into that a little bit later. But the bottom is like a cloud foam. It says cloud foam right here, and the bottom is like foam, guys. And it's really dirty. I wear these to the gym almost every day. This part right here, this little tab part, is not actually okay, guys. So something that really confused me about these shoes when I first got them, and I was like, oh my goodness, like I thought it was like an open shoe, but no, these are just slip-on shoes, guys. And you can tighten them and to make them tighter with the shoelaces, but there's not like actually not like the flap is like connected to the shoe. So it has 3 stripes right here. Then it just has this part going down, and then the back just says Adidas going up it. So starting off about this shoe, it is not the most economical shoe to like buy. It is a little bit more than like a typical like gym shoe or like running shoe would be, but it is very worth it, and I'm going to tell you guys multiple reasons why it's worth it. So like I said, the shoe is mesh right here, and for any of you guys who are into running or you love working out, but one thing I can say, if you lift, this is not a good lifting shoe though, but it doesn't give you a good enough support around your ankles. That's one thing I can say, but this is a good running shoe and a good like just everyday workout shoe, go to the store shoe, run errands and shoe. I usually use Nike brand for my running shoes, but this shoe is so comfortable. And when it says cloud foam, it really means cloud foam. I've had the best experiences in this shoe. Usually when I run, like I just want to take my shoes off, but like after running, I feel like I can conquer the world in these shoes. And I'm not even saying this to over exaggerate, I'm just telling the honest truth. This shoe is very like stylish to me too, for some reason. Like I really like how it's like white and black and it's like mesh. Like I really love how this shoe looks as well as like how it feels. So that's like always a good thing. Also, something else, like I said before, that's unique about this shoe is it's all attached. So it's kind of like a slip-on shoe. So if you're in a rush, you just hurry up and put them on. You can tighten them with the shoelaces like I stated before. A downfall about this shoe though is it gets dirty so fast. And I see no purpose in cleaning the bottom of this shoe because I'm gonna just keep going outside with them. So it's like not that big of a deal to me because I do use these as running shoes and go to the gym. So the bottom of the shoe is just like, it is what it is at this point. I just hate like the yellowy color. So I wish they would have made the bottom like black or something, but I'm just gonna live like and deal with it. Something else that I really do like about the shoe is like the branding of it and how they marketed it. You see how the shoe is like black and gray and white. The box is also black and white too. And at first I didn't even see the shoe. I just honestly saw the box and I was like, what is this black and white box? Like I love this box. And I fell in love with the box before I fell in love with the shoe. So that's how you know when a company is marketing their products very well. But the box is really cool. And it's just like this like black and white box, and it just has Adidas right there and Adidas right there. And something else that is like very, very, very unique about these shoes is, I don't know, I'm going to show you guys. If you guys can see the inside of it, the sole is like this like cotton thick, like very like feel good type of material. And like I stated before, I tried lifting in these shoes one day. I don't know if any of you guys out there are lifters, but I enjoy lifting at the gym. And it was just not the best situation for me. I felt like my ankles weren't protected. The shoe wasn't on tight enough, even though I tightened the shoelaces as tight as they could go. It just wasn't working out that well for me. But everything other than that, like I've had good experiences in this shoe. I've worked in these shoes before, and the best feeling in the world. So, like, such a good feeling. Something else too, guys, that is very, 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 like, and it's hard to find this in shoes. This part right here. So I'm like the type of person that I hate like hard top shoes like this. Like, I'll deal with it if I like the shoe, but I hate when this part is like hard in the shoe. And that's like a lot of gym shoes. But I love how this whole shoe is like mesh, and like I could like move my feet in it and like it not like hurt the top of my feet. I am a dancer, so like something that really like grinds my gears is like I like to like roll my feet in my shoes. I don't know, this is weird, but like I move my feet a lot in my shoes basically. And something that really grinds my gears is when I get like hard shoes or like hard top like gym shoes, because it really like scratches the top of my feet and I just don't like it. But these ones like mesh, and look at how they bend, guys. Oh my goodness, I love these shoes so much. I can like point in them. I can stretch in these shoes and it feels so good. Something else that I really love about these shoes too is that right here, this part, the tongue, since it's all connected, you don't have to like worry about like trying to like the tongue moving or like you trying to like relace the shoes. Guys, the shoelaces doesn't come off, it's attached to the whole shoe. So that's the other very good thing about these shoes. Like I said, though, these shoes are not the most like you're gonna have to pay quite a bit for these shoes, but I think it's a good investment. It's very worth it, and it's just been a shoe that's like never let me down ever since I got them. So you always look for investments like that. And like I said, these are the Adidas Cloudfoam shoes.